So now this is the last portion which we have, morphological operation, and the collection of non-linear operation related to a shape or morphology of feature in an image is known as morphological processing. So basically, uh, so what morphological operation help us to do? Uh, we will see it through the examples, I guess. It will be more clear to you guys. So morphological operations rely on a relative ordering of the pixel value, not on their numerical value. And the important thing is it is normally performed on a binary image. So how we are going to convert the image to a binary image? So that's why we need to apply a thresholding basically convert the image into a binary format. uh, by binary, I mean we only have two values, 0 and the maximum 255. Okay. So we have these types of morphological operations: erosion, dilation, closing, opening, gradient. We will see erosion. We will see each of these operations. First is erosion. In erosion, it basically erode away the boundary of the foreground object. So in erosion, what we do basically, we have a kernel. We will slide it. We have a kernel. We will slide it over here. So if all the pixels under the kernel is 1, then we will make it 1. Otherwise, uh, it will consider as 0. So what's the use of it? It will help us to reduce the thickness of the white region in an image. Okay. Erosion can be helpful for removing all the white noise. We will see how. So this is the function cv.erode, which basically help us to erode the image. So input image, first parameter, second parameter is kernel, the dimension of the kernel. Okay. So this is the input image. So in this image, you can see there's a small noises here, and I don't want in my image. So I want these things to be removed. So what I can do, I can use the erosion technique. So what will erosion technique does? It will have a filter. The filter has a value 1. All the value of the filter will be 1. Okay. So then you will perform the element wise multiplication. If the multiplication is 1, then you will only consider it as a 1. So by 1, I mean the brightest pixel. Since we are working on a binary image, we only have two things, 0 and 1. 1 is corresponding to a white and 0 is corresponding to black. So here, if you apply a filter here you can see there's a lot of black thing and a white thing is also there. So it basically erode this thing. So here you can see this is how we get our these small white noises denoised in this image. So we increase the kernel size and increase the iteration, we will get the better image. But the thing is, it also reduces the width of the thickness of the white region, because suppose if you are working in this region, okay, so here you can see there's some white portion which will also automatically get 0. So that is why it reduces the thickness of the white region. Okay. Now dilation is just of opposite of the erosion. It basically increases the white region. Suppose I have this circle. Okay. Okay, I have this circle, but it is not clearly visible to me. You can see there's some of intensity related issue, right? It is not clear. Suppose you have a black noise like these here, you wanted to emphasize more on it, so you can use a dilation. So it's just same as erosion, but it's just opposite of it. So the function which we will use is dilate, and we will dilate the image. The kernel will be same, but the thing is, if all the pixel value under the kernel is 1, then it is considered as 0, otherwise it is considered as 1. So that's the same thing. So we have opening is erosion followed by dilation. So in erosion, what we do, we basically reduces the white noise, and in dilation, what we will do, we increases the white noise. So suppose this is an image, okay, but I wanted to remove this noise here, but I apply erosion. Okay, and my noise is gone. Now I am happy. But uh, on the other hand, you can see the thickness of the white region also reduces. uh, Here you can see the thickness of the white region in this case, and in this case it is reduces. Now I want uh, the same uh, the same thickness. What I will do, I will use dilation after using the erosion. So uh, uh, once I remove my noise, then I will dilate my image so that I can have uh, so that I can increase the thickness. So here you can see, this is how we do. First we erode the image and then we dilate it. So we do not perform these operation one by one. So in OpenCV, we have a simple function opening that will make sure that first it erodes the image and it will dilate the image. And we have closing also. Closing is just opposite of the erosion. So just like it reduces the, so okay, I will go here, dilation. So just like the erosion reduces the white region, the dilation increases the black region. It removes the black region. Suppose here the black region and you just you just increase the thickness. So this is how you decrease the black region. So now see, okay, now we will take a case study here. This is the original image. Okay, now I apply threshold. So this is how an image looks like. But as I mentioned earlier in my slide, that the result is not good after applying the threshold thing. So we need to further improve it. Okay. So can you guys can tell me how I can fill this black noise using I mean, which operation will help me to reduce this black noise? Okay. Okay, I will go on because we have very less time. Okay, we need to cover the applications also. Yes. So what we will do, first we will apply the dilation, because it will the dilation will reduces the black noise here. But after the dilation, you will see the thickness of this white region also decreases. So you need to increase it. So that's why you need to erode it. You need to perform the erosion. So that's why we will perform the closing here. So closing is just first we dilate the image, then we will erode. We will do the erosion. Okay. Okay, I can see Sarath. You write erosion. Erosion help us to remove the white noise. Okay. And dilation help us to remove the black noise. So here we have a black noise. We need to do it white. So we apply a closing, which is basically dilation. Then we will apply an erosion. So I will. So this is how we segment the image. Basically, we have this image. We got this mask after applying the threshold. Then we will perform an AND operation. I said that it is the bitwise operation help us in a masking purpose. So if you will perform an AND operation, then the background will be converted to a 0 and you will get this intersection here, the intersection of the face. So here you will see the black noise is also there, but after performing a closing, you will get this type of result. If you perform a closing here, so you will get this type of operation, and then you can take an AND operation, and this is where you segment the picture. Okay, now cool. We have another morphological gradient. It's a difference between the dilation and the erosion. It basically gives you one more outline to our object. Here you can see. So this is the way we implement it. Okay, this is how we can also draw a rectangle, and this is a way I draw a circle. This is the bitwise operation. Okay, I forgot to include the implementation part of the morphological gradient. My bad, but we will. Okay, that is the bitwise operations. Okay, you can check the collab file after that. Okay, now moving forward to a question. This is the end of the slide, I guess. Okay, so morphological operation can be performed on RGB image, VGR image, grayscale image, binary image. Comment down fast, guys. I'm seeing the chat box. So question is, morphological operation can be performed on, sir, last, yes, we are going to cover it. Don't take action. We are going to cover 2 projects, not 1. Okay. Okay, the correct answer is binary. Yes, grayscale image also right, but in grayscale we have image from 0 to 255. So we need to convert it to a binary. That's why we will apply a thresholding in a grayscale image and we will get it to convert it into a binary image. Yes, Sarabjit, you are right. We will perform the morphological operations on a binary image. So now, which operation you will perform when you need to fill the black noise in a binary image? So I've talked about it. Yeah. Yes. Okay, Anusa. D. Yes, it is D. D is the correct answer. Deletion followed by erosion. And also, closing is same as deletion followed by erosion. It's just the different name. Okay. So answer will be B and D. Okay, guys.